Hello everyone, this is our third sight word video for this week. So again, just kind of jumping in as a reminder, if you would like to print out the worksheet and work from home with me, feel free. If you just want to follow along, you can write in the air, you can still clap things out with me. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We always start again, but in this first box here, we look at our word. So let's go and see here. Do we have any tall letters? Yes. Do we have any small letters? No. Do we have any basement letters? Yes, it's Y. Okay, so we know that our word has two letters. Let's go ahead and say those two letters together. Ready? Say them with me. The first letter is B, and the second letter is Y. So our word for today is buy. Let's go ahead and swipe read it. Remember, if you're at home, put your finger under the B. If you are working along with me, you can either put your finger up close to your computer screen or just swipe read across in the air. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, buy. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, buy. Good. Go ahead and get your pencils out, or if you are going to write in the air, have your finger ready. We're moving on to the next box here. We're going to write the word buy. Here we go. B, Y. Good. In the next box, if you have your yellow crayon or marker or colored pencil, and if you don't have a yellow, marker or crayon, that's okay. Pick whatever color you have. Let's go ahead. We are going to clap the word buy to see how many syllables it has. So let's go ahead and say the word buy. Let's do it one more time. Buy. We clapped one time when we said the word buy, so we're going to color in our one circle here. Okay, and today I am going to use green when coloring in the word buy. So if you want to match me, go ahead, you can get a green crayon or marker or colored pencil out. If you want to pick your own, that's okay too, so pick your own color. And here we go, let's color in the B. And let's color in the Y. B-Y is the word buy. Now friends, I want to go ahead and stop for a second here. This is not the type of buy like when when someone's leaving your house and you say like goodbye and you wave to them. This word buy means it's like a location word. So if I say, hey mom, can you bring me my glasses? They are by the lamp. Or they are by, my book on the nightstand. Okay, so it's a location word. It also, we see this when we're talking about the authors of our books, right? It is by, Miss Wickstrom. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on here. We're going to get our pencils back out, or if you're using, your finger to skywrite, go ahead and do that. We're going to trace the word by. B, Y. Now we're going to move on to spell the word. Let's take a look at our boxes here. We have two for our two letters. We have this tall box and we have a basement box. So make sure you know what letter goes in which box. All right, here we go. Let's spell it. B, Y. I want you to go ahead and freeze for a second. Check your handwriting. Make sure your letters are going the right way, especially your B, right? If you write it the wrong way, you're writing the letter D, so make sure your B is going the right way. All right, moving on down here. In the corner box, we are finding the word by 3 times. I'll let you, if you're working at home, you can go ahead and circle. I'll give you some time. And if you're just following along with me, maybe you just want to circle, pretend circle on your screen. Go ahead and find the word by 3 times. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and circle on my page. By, and by. Awesome job. In our last box, who did you tell? Pick someone at home. Say the word to them. If you want to say it to me, that's fine as well. So on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, bye. You can put a check mark in the box if you're working at home, check mark in the air if you're just following along with me. You guys did another great job today. Keep working hard, and I'll have another video for you tomorrow. Again, our sight word for today is by. Make sure you're continuing to practice your words daily at home. All right, see you guys tomorrow.